Hello friends, let's have a quick look at this front upper control arm bushings from STRONGFLEX, which are for my W210. They are yellow polyurethane bushings. They are stiff and I'm going to install them on my car. Now I will remove the stuff from the plastic box and show you details. So my friends, here we are. By the way, the sticker is in the carton, but we are mainly interested in these bushings. We have here four items, four bushings. One control arm, upper control arm on W210 needs two bushings plus two sleeves, because the bushing which is installed from factory on the upper control arm is long, and if you have ever met this job, you may know how long is the bolt which secures it. That's why here we need two per side, and yes, STRONGFLEX sells it as a kit. What about the stiffness? They are very hard. Here you can see. Sorry guys, they are very hard. Here I had previously used STRONGFLEX red stuff on my W210, and I can say from my personal experience that the yellow stuff is more stiff here, or stiffer, as you want. What about the quality? What can I say about the quality? Every STRONGFLEX bushing I had bought from them is tip-top. Quality is very good. Machining is on the top, and they are high quality items. Yes, they don't cost cheap. For this kit I gave about 100 euros for bushing, for sleeve, and three or four grease here. But I think that this is a good investment. STRONGFLEX does not offer the red ones for this application, because from the factory W210 is also already equipped with the hard bushing on the upper control arm, and STRONGFLEX offers only yellow one to upgrade your setup. So once again, here is a closer look. I am trying to show you all the details about them. Very soon I am going to get, also I ordered them, rear control arm bushings. Every rear suspension control arm bushing which is installed on my car in the future will be STRONGFLEX polyurethane, and I will make separate video about them. You know, here is the instruction how it had to be assembled, but I will do another DIY video about it. You know, the summer is coming, and I am trying to collecting all the bushings, and then work in the warm days is very good for me. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was enough informational. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.